Over time, recliner seats lose spring tension, break down, sag, and become uncomfortable to sit on. Don't throw money away on brand new furniture. Now there's an affordable solution to this sad, sagging recliner problem. Try SagsAway Ultra Blue, the patented 4-piece sagging recliner repair kit. This repair kit comes with 4 half-inch thick, durable military-grade foam inserts, tough enough for the springs, but cushioned enough not to damage your foam above. Turn the recliner over with the footrest extended. Make sure the footrest is fully extended to avoid injury. This product is specifically designed for recliners with an attached seat cushion and zigzag springs. If your recliner's cushion is removable and in need of repair, navigate to the SagsAway store on Amazon for our other seat cushion repair kit, designed for recliners with removable cushions. Next, slide the foam insert under the springs to target the sag in your seat. Put the recliner right side up and test to see if more inserts are needed. If you still notice a sag, install another insert stacked on the first or to the side until you get your desired results. Repeat if needed with the other 2 inserts. Once you have successfully targeted your sag, kick back and relax. It's the only cost-effective way to extend the life of your reclining furniture without taking it completely apart. And remember, SagsAway can fix sagging recliner seats, not broken springs. Make your recliner look and feel like new. Made right here in the USA. SagsAway, the simple solution for sagging reclining furniture.